Alright, before this video even gets started today, I gotta say that nothing in this video would have been possible without the help of Dave, Michael, Casey, Greg, Scott, Peyton, Cam, Ebony, and Braylon and Braxton. You guys were all rock stars today. Manimals, incredible, beasts, any superlative you could think of, that was you guys. Thanks so much. Guys. Guess what today is? Demo I'm the only one here right now. Nobody's going to be here for a couple hours. But it's demo day. It's curtains for those curtains.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Knew it was going to be a lot of work, but I think you don't realize until you actually start walking around and looking at everything that has to be removed, just how much work it is. It's kind of crazy, but got a lot of guys showing up today, hopefully. Got a lot of food to feed them with, and we'll see what we can get done in one day, see if we can get that dumpster full.
Oh boy, now we're talking. Yeah. That's too easy. Oh boy, that was fun.
You don't mind being on camera? You don't mind being on camera, do you?
No, not at all. That's the wrong question, dude. As long as you get he said you should ask him what angle do you like best.
All right, it's popping off now up in here, literally. Got to make sure you guys make episode 5. It's popping off up in here. TG in the house.
Throat.
Don't wanna burn no time.
Hey, how you doing? First go.
Well, you know what's weird about
Are you gonna leave this up? No. Taking it down?
this thing is solid. That was that chicken wire.
Hey now.
I did. Hold on, Tim. Oh, that hit. Oh!
You got bad aim, man.
Man, this is gonna be like 3D.
Huh?
This is gonna be like 3D. Here's Johnny.
hit like kind of.
Oh!
Can do it. I do like 3 blows. I can't do it.
You could,
Do this. Do this. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. This dumb.
I had no idea.
Not for the whole project?
Yes.
Really?
All right, here we are at the end of day 1. Tammy doesn't want to be on camera.
No. Nothing. Me
We
either.
got mass destruction all over the place. Well, you going to be on camera? Everybody's in episode 5 of the home renovation videos. Yep. Got Braylon up in here. Braylon, be like, demo day. Braxton, demo day. You know you can say it. Say, demo day. What was that? Was that fainting? Like, I'm fainting.
I'm a delicate little kid.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Look at this place. That's it for episode 5. It's a wrap.